If you need to change your Gmail password, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in just a few minutes. Changing your password is one of the easiest ways to keep your Google account secure, especially if you think your password is weak, old, or has been shared with someone else. Before we get into it, please take a second to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's go ahead and change your Gmail password. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you normally use. Once the browser is open, go to your Google account security page. You can type in myaccount.google.com/security or just use the security page linked in the description if that is easier for you. This is the section of your Google account where you manage login settings, password options, recovery details, and security alerts. If Google asks you to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Gmail account. Make sure you are using the account whose password you want to change. If you manage more than one Google account, double check that you are in the correct one before moving forward. This is important because the changes will only apply to the account you are signed into. Once you are on the security page, look for the section called How You Sign Into Google. In that section, you will see the password option. Click on Password to begin the password change process. Google will usually ask you to verify your identity before letting you continue, and that is completely normal. It is one of the ways Google protects your account from unauthorized access. Now enter your current password and click Next. This step confirms that you are the real account owner. If you do not remember your current password, you may need to use Google's account recovery process before you can continue. But if you do know it, just type it in carefully and proceed. After that, Google will take you to the screen where you can create a new password. Enter your new password in the first field and then re-enter the same password in the second field to confirm it. Try to choose a strong password that is hard to guess. A good password should include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Avoid using personal information like your name, birthday, or anything that is easy to guess. Before you finish, make sure the two password entries match exactly. Even one small typing difference can cause the update to fail. Once everything looks good, click Change Password. Google will then save your new password and update your account security settings. After the password is changed, you may be signed out on some devices and asked to log in again. That is normal. In some cases, Gmail may also ask you to re-authenticate on your phone, tablet, or email app. Just sign in again using your new password and you should be all set. For best security, it is also a smart idea to update your password on any devices or apps where you use Gmail. That includes your phone mail app, desktop email apps, and any browser sessions that stay signed in. This helps avoid login problems later, and that is how you change your Gmail password step by step. It only takes a few minutes, and it can make a big difference in protecting your account. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.